Hey everyone, I want to just show you or give you a little reminder on our Wix project, the website design. And today or this week I'm going to just review the publishing piece and want to show you how I might use that outside editor like Word or something to create some text and take advantage of like the spell check or something. So I'm going to go and switch my taskbar down here. I've got Microsoft Word open, and I have a chunk of text here that I'm going to actually, let's just highlight this and put this, I'm going to put it in a new document. So I'm going to copy this and we'll make a new document in Word. And I'll paste this. So what I have is I have my text here in Word, and I'm going to press the F7 key because I know that that's spell check, and it's looking at this. I guess I could make that a one word or two word. It all depends on how you want to do it, as long as it's consistent. I'm going to leave it with one word, so I'm going to ignore that one, or actually ignore all. And I'm going to ignore the word, the spelling there is okay. So I've got my spell check complete, and what I'm going to do is select all and copy this text that I now have spell checked and made sure that the grammar is okay. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to Wix, and now I'm in my web editor, and I'm going to click on the text box here for my intro page. And when I click on it, I can go in to edit text, and then I'm going to go ahead and highlight and paste what I had from the Word document. Okay, so I have a chunk of text here, and I'm going to do just a little bit more. One thing I've found in Wix, and I have Google Chrome open, sometimes the text box is kind of hard to move, and so I'm going to go ahead and just slide this over, and I'm using my arrow keys. Okay, so I've got some intro text there, and we'll go down, and this old picture here doesn't really work for me, so I'm going to insert a new picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go over here where, not pages, but I'm going to add, I can add media or text or an image and so on. I'm going to add some text, and let's see, I'm sorry, I was going to add a picture here. So let's go back. And we'll go ahead and add an image. And I had uploaded some things the other day. Here's a image I got off the web that I'm going to double click on here. And actually, I have to go down into the corner here and add that image to my library. So it's on my home page. And I'm going to slide this over. This is something you'd put like on a car, and so I'm going to get rid of the other image that was in this template, and maybe now I will add a little blurb to explain what the heck this image of a shark is, because a lot of people wouldn't know necessarily what that's for, but what this would be for is kind of like a decal for your car or something. So I'm going to go ahead and add text, and I'm going to add title, and it says double click me here. You see, notice when I try to click, sometimes click and drag, it doesn't quite work, but there, I got it to work. So I'm going to edit this text, and we create decals and decorations for your car. Okay, and I probably should have I'm pretty comfortable with this here as far as my spelling. I might make it a little bit smaller text size. That's too small. So let's do this real quick, and let's make it 20 point or 18 at least. Okay. And I'm going to slide this over, and then I'm going to publish it, because that's the point of this whole screencast, is to just show you how easy it is. Once you get a design set up, I'm going to go up to the corner, and this is the one thing that I learned the hard way is, or I should say many times the hard way. I should save often, because sometimes I was working, and then I didn't save, and then when I went to save, I had an internet connection issue. So I'm going to say save. But what I want you to do, you can preview your site just like you would for, so you could see what the end user is seeing. But I'm just going to go ahead and publish this, just to show you that when I do publish, here's the address that you will send me, and you will look at to kind of see what your website's going to look like from an end user perspective. So I'm going to publish, and just letting you know that it publishes, and I can republish and write over whatever I had. Okay, so I'm published here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the link and see what this looks like. So let's, oops, I got something else up here. And let's see what, oh darn it, I just, let me publish that again. Hit publish, and we'll go there. Okay, so what I have is my URL up there. I have my name of my company and a little blurb about it and an image. I'm not done with my home page here, but I do have it published, and there's the address. So you would copy your address and send it to me in an email, so I could kind of just see where you're at. So I'd like you to do that this week. Okay, so that was all there is. Won't have a regular webinar today. I have some meetings this afternoon, so I wanted to get this out there and just let you know about how to publish, and again, that you can republish right over whatever you've done, and share what you've had or created so far, even if it's just a little bit. I just want you to go through the process of getting your website up and running, publish something, and then send me the URL. Okay, so have a good week. I'll talk to you later.